Here's how to improve your odds of a successful trade, the 3 steps to using pivot points. First, what is a pivot point? The term pivot gets thrown around a lot in the trading world. Pocket pivot, base pivot, consolidation pivot, all these refer to slightly different uses of the term. In short, a pivot is a specific price level where we expect the stock to make a decision and start a large directional move one way or the other. A pivot is basically a structure we place on the charts to guide our analysis. Here's how to find pivot points. When you're first looking at a stock chart, everything appears random. However, after learning some technical analysis, you should be able to perceive how stocks move in bursts and trends on all time frames. These ranges, which you can draw boxes around, have a defined high and low, and these are your basic pivot points. As a stock approaches the high or low, the laws of supply and demand come into play as market participants battle it out. At this point, the stock must make a decision to stay in the range or break out or break down. After making a decision, the stock often continues the trend in the direction of the move. This volatility, with a defined level to trade against, is what we want to capitalize on as traders. Pivots occur on all time frames and ranges can form within ranges. I like to look for a strong prior move and signs of institutional accumulation, such as high volume up days. Then I wait for a consolidation with a clear pivot point up the right-hand side of a base. How to trade using pivots. Regardless of your definition of a pivot point, you want to enter the stock as close to that level as possible. By doing so, you allow yourself to set a tight and logical stop on the other side of the pivot. This way, there are only 2 potential outcomes. You're either stopped out with a small loss if the stock reverses at the pivot, or you have a position in the stock just as it is starting a new trend. There are many nuances to pivots, and this short video only addressed the basics. Nevertheless, if you are new to the concept, I hope it was helpful, and feel free to leave a like, share, retweet, and thanks for watching.